inform me ना at least. अच्छा inform किया, ठीक है. श्री नवनीत कृष्णन, please. You have to speak.
Yes. Thank you, Honorable Chairman, Honorable Prime Minister,
Please.
Honorable Leader of Opposition, and other honorable members of the Parliament. I thank His Excellency President for his presidential address, and I would like to place my gratitude.
Please, Anand ji. Hello.
Please.
Sinha ji.
At the outset, I would like to place my gratitude to our Honorable Prime Minister regarding the good gesture he has shown to enact an act called the Tamil Nadu Protected Agricultural Development Zone Act 2020. I repeat, sir, at the risk of repetition, I want to place my gratitude to our Honorable Prime Minister for the great gesture he has shown for the enactment called the Tamil Nadu Protected Agricultural Development Zone Act 2020. In the last year, January, in the all-party meeting, I made a request regarding the...
Please, Upendra, please.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
No.
Regarding the apprehensions of the...
I'm not stopping you, I'm requesting them to.
Right. Regarding the apprehensions of the farmers of Kaveri Delta, because the oil exploration is going on, and hence all the farmers are apprehending danger to their farming activity. And then immediately he observed, and also he has given the direction to the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Joshi. And then immediately the ministers meeting along with the officials and along with our state minister and officials, meeting was held. I also participated in the meeting, and our member, Mr. Davdekar, was very helpful, and he has said no objection from environmental ministry point of view, and he has given the green signal. I got a letter from our Honorable Chief Minister, Edappadi Padichami. It was handed over to him. Immediately, Mr. Javadekar responded to the state government, and in the month of February 2020, this act called the Tamil Nadu Protected Agricultural Development Zone Act 2020 came into existence. The act prohibits all the activities which are harming the agriculture in the Kaveri Delta. So, now immediately the act came into existence. Now, why I am telling this is, a small man like me made a representation on instruction from our Chief Minister, Mr. Edappadi Padichami, and immediately our Honorable Prime Minister understood the gravity of the problem and immediately gave the direction, and the ministers also immediately responded favorably, and the act came into existence, and the entire Kaveri Delta farmers are very happy. I think, subject to correction, 15 members of the parliament are from Kaveri Delta, both in Rajya Sabha and in Lok Sabha. So, the senior members are representing the Kaveri Delta farmers. So far, no government has taken any step to protect the Kaveri Delta farmers, but our Prime Minister and our Chief Minister Edappadi Padichami has taken the right steps and protected the interest of the agriculturists of Kaveri Delta. So, in Tirukural, Nandri Marapadi Nandrandu Nandaladu Andre Marapadi Nandri. So the gratitude shall not be forgotten. So I want to place it on record that the Kaveri, on behalf of the farmers of the Kaveri Delta, I also hailing from the Kaveri Delta. I want to place it on record the gratitude of the farmers of the Kaveri Delta to our Honorable Prime Minister and to our Honorable Chief Minister Edappadi Panichami for enacting this Tamil Nadu Protected Agricultural Development Zone Act 2020. So I think this kind of enactment is in force, in place in Kerala or in Chhattisgarh, subject to correction. But so this is the first kind of legislation came into existence thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister and thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister. Now, regarding this COVID-19 pandemic, really our Honorable Prime Minister waged all-out war to eradicate, to contain the coronavirus. The steps taken by the central government proved to be right and it ended in success because each and every nook and corner of the India is being watched by central government and appropriate directions have been given to the state governments to follow the restrictions very strictly. So only because of the efforts taken by the central government, the state government is able to control effectively. In Tamil Nadu, it has been successfully controlled. So thanks to our Tamil Nadu administration, Amma's government, and also the central government. Because there is a very low number of cases are being now reported and almost a nil because now the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic brought certain good things for India. Now in India, the best administration is in place. It has been proved. And also the invention in scientific field. In the entire world is suffering from still because of coronavirus, but India is now saved. I humbly submit that India is very, very safe in the hands of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. He has taken all steps. That is why I said waged all-out war to eradicate and to contain the coronavirus, and he is successful in all his endeavors. And also, technology, though invented by the human beings, but technology has taken over the human race. So without the technology, nothing will take place. So each and every individual is controlled by technology. Of course, legally speaking, controlled by law, regulations, rules. But even in any individual, even an illiterate person, even a person living in remote corner of India, he is now taken over by technology. Now, thanks to coronavirus, in Tamil Nadu, I know personally, each and every student studying in the primary school is having the smartphone with internet connection. He is learning lessons. So, sir,
please.
Effectively, only because of coronavirus, the technology is being put into use effectively. Please understand my point of view, sir. So, because though Kalvi, we are having a television called Kalvi Television. It is being run by the state government, providing good lessons. But now, the cell phones are playing vital role. So, now the barrier between rural and the urban has been broken. Now, the internet, Google search is very familiar in rural part of Tamil Nadu, in everywhere in India, and also in judiciary. In judiciary also, Now, because of the coronavirus and the efforts taken by the state government and the central government and the judiciary on its own part, now any lawyer from any part of India can file the affidavit, plaint, written statement or anything through e-filing process. And also he can appear by making use of this software before Supreme Court, before High Court, even before lower courts. So now because of the best administration in place, this is possible. So merely because we are suffering, our government definitely, and also our people are cooperating and also fighting against the coronavirus. So now the barrier between the Mofussil lawyer and the urban lawyer has been broken. Now these are all the good side of coronavirus. We must appreciate it. And then now the digital India now come into place. It is in place. So every student is want to own not only laptop, the iPad and other advanced technology equipments. So now the problem, though it is very problem, and also regarding the vaccine, 2 vaccines have been invented by our scientists. Of course, the central government has provided full support, and because of the central government, especially our Honorable Prime Minister visited the laboratories and encouraged the scientists. So our India is standing first in all walks of life. Okay, sir. So now the truth cannot be suppressed, sir. So because our Amma's government is performing very well, 3 times consecutively it is standing first in the whole of India. So these truths cannot be digested by my brothers. It is up to them how to manage and how to face the election. That is a different issue.
Please. No, each one's digestive system is different.
Yes.
That is body.
And in the COVID-19 pandemic, coronavirus, our government really fought against China and won the fight. And also the twin problems, saving the life and saving the economy. I am of the humble opinion that really in both aspects, both state government and central government won the fight. And all the activities, services, manufacturing, all failed, not able to be successful because of coronavirus. But agriculture succeeded in this fight. And our farmers produced more wheat, more paddy and other yields. So now agriculture is being supported by the central government. Even more support has been provided by our Honorable Finance Minister in his budget proposals. So I support the Presidential address. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Navendra Krishnanji.
உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம எங்க சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.